Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has transformed countless lives: the law of attraction. If you've ever wondered how you can attract more positivity, success, and happiness into your life, you're in the right place. Let's explore how the law of attraction works and how you can start using it today. So, what is the law of attraction? Simply put, it's the idea that our thoughts and feelings attract corresponding experiences into our lives. Positive thoughts bring positive outcomes, while negative thoughts can bring negative outcomes. But how does this work? Let's break it down. Imagine your thoughts as powerful magnets. When you think about something, you emit a certain energy frequency that attracts similar frequencies from the universe. This means that by focusing on positive thoughts, you can attract positive experiences into your life. For example, if you're constantly thinking about how grateful you are for your health, you'll attract more reasons to feel healthy and energetic. The second principle is that like attracts like. If you're radiating positive energy, you'll attract positive people, opportunities, and events. Conversely, if you're focusing on negative thoughts, you'll attract more negativity. Think of it like tuning into a radio station. If you're on the positive frequency, you'll hear positive music. If you're on the negative frequency, well, you get the idea. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide on how to use the law of attraction. We'll cover each step in detail with practical examples. The first step is to define your desires. Be as specific as possible. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to be a successful graphic designer earning $80,000 a year." The clearer you are, the better. Take a moment now to write down your goals. What do you truly want? Be detailed and specific. Step 2 is to ask the universe. This involves setting your intention and visualizing your desires as already achieved. Create a vision board or spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goals. Imagine yourself living your dream. Feel the emotions, see the details, and believe it's already happening. Step 3 is to believe. Cultivate a strong belief that what you want is possible and on its way. This means letting go of doubts and maintaining a positive mindset. For example, if you're aiming for a new job, act confidently in your current role as if you're already in that new position. Step 4 is to visualize daily. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your goals as already achieved. This strengthens your belief and aligns your energy with your desires. Visualize yourself enjoying the benefits of your goal. Feel the joy, excitement, and satisfaction. Step 5 is to use affirmations. These are positive statements that reinforce your desires. Repeat them daily, especially in the morning and before bed. For instance, say, "I am successful, confident, and living my dream life." Make sure your affirmations are positive and in the present tense. Step 6 is practicing gratitude. Be thankful for what you have and what you wish to receive. This positive energy attracts more good things into your life. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Also, include things you are thankful for in advance, like, "I am grateful for my new job." Step 7 is to act as if your desires are already reality. Live your life as if you already have what you want. This helps align your actions with your beliefs. If you want to be fit, start exercising and eating healthily. Adopt the habits of a person who has already achieved their goal. The final step is to let go. Trust the process and release any attachment to the outcome. Know that the universe will bring your desires to you in the right time and way. Focus on the journey, stay positive, and trust that what you desire is on its way. Here are some practical examples of how to apply the law of attraction. Career. Define your dream job. Visualize yourself in that role, believe you deserve it, and take steps towards it. Health. Visualize yourself healthy and fit, believe in your body's ability to heal, and adopt healthy habits. Relationships. Visualize a loving relationship, believe you deserve love, and act with love and kindness. Now, let's talk about overcoming challenges. Doubts and fears are normal, but they can block the law of attraction. Use affirmations to combat negative thoughts and stay focused on your goals. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality through your thoughts and beliefs. Start applying these steps today and watch your life transform. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.